Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wells Fargo business checking statements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the Wells Fargo website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign on button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign on button to proceed to the login page. Enter your business user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate box. After entering your credentials, click the Sign On button to access your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Click on the Accounts tab to view your business checking account details. Look for the specific account for which you want to download statements. Click on the account name to open its details. On the Account Details page, find the Statements link on the left sidebar. Click on the Statements link to view available statements. You will see a list of your recent statements displayed on the screen. Select the statement period you wish to download by clicking on the corresponding date. After selecting the statement, look for a download button or link. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to choose a file format, such as PDF or CSV. Select your preferred file format and click Download again. Your statement will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded statement to review your business checking details. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your Wells Fargo business checking statement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.